We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was exactly within here, we mentioned the Wiz move is very corrective, but because we explained we are looking at this correction. If you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But we explained that we want to see the deeper correction for continuation, right? Because I mentioned if the price continues similar to what we have here, mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup first if we refer to the indicators. So one of the indicators showing us a divergence, and the another one, based on MACD, also we can refer to the divergence, but we cannot conform with the MACD. All right. What I want to say is that if the price continues similar to what we have here, we cannot get a really good trade setup. That's why we wanted to see the deeper correction before we take the next trade. And right now, it depends on the strategy the traders they use. We're looking at this correction. Any trade for buy, we will take it. On the targets based on 1 hour chart, we're looking for 0.0036, following by 0.00373, following by 0.0039. This is the short-term targets where we should manage our trade if we get any opportunity for buy. And the most things we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. All right. But how to look for trade? For me, I prefer if this one turns to a deeper correction, then from there I will consider to look for trade. But if the price continues as a corrective, I won't take the trade unless we see the sharp move flag breakout of this correction as a sharp move. Next flag, I will take the trade. All right. At this point, having entry above this can be an option, but it's not really a good idea because every time the price broke the previous top, it tends to drop. That means we can, if we put our entry here, simply we can expect the price tag, then drop. All right. Because if the price continues what we have here, following by divergence, simply we can expect the price drop, even drop to 0.0032. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. But if you get any opportunity for buy, this is the levels we need to, we need to see the breakout of any of these levels. And if I move to higher time frame, if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, as we can see, the Wiz moving is really corrective. That means if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And based on daily, the targets we're looking for 0.006, following by 0.007. But whenever we have seen this kind of, since whenever we have this kind of the correction, especially for this coin, it can follow by a sharp move. That means we will expect to see the breakout of this one as a sharp move. That's why if you get any opportunity based on lower time frame, we will take it. But if it's not moving our direction, at least we should know how to manage it. And or even we take out the trade. That means we shouldn't keep the trade if it's not moving in our direction. And if we move to 4 hour chart, similar explanation as what we explained based on the 1 hour chart. If the price continues as a corrective move, it can turn to similar to any of this. That means we can expect for next drop. For sure, if the give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, we can refer to the indicator for the divergence. Then any reversal from there, it can give us better opportunity and confirmation to look for buy rather than the price continue from here. That's why based on 1 hour chart, if I move to 1 hour chart, I mentioned the best things is if we see the breakout of this correction, then from there we take we look for the next trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.